I'll never forget the day I realized my team's output looked fine on a spreadsheet, but the real problem was hidden. Too much idle time, too many distractions, and no clue how to fix it. If that sounds familiar, Controlio might just be on your radar. But is it the right tool to shed light on what really happens behind the screen? Let's dive in, tool under the microscope, so you can see if it fits your needs. Controlio is a cloud-based, with on-premises or private cloud options too. Employee monitoring system built to show you what your team is actually doing. Think live screen viewing, keystroke tracking, video recordings and behavior alerts, but wrapped in dashboards and compliance features, so it's not just surveillance, it's insight. Worth it? Let's break it down. Imagine overseeing a remote customer support team scattered across regions. Some agents are on fire, others lagging behind, and you're missing the key signals to step in early. That's where Controlio can help. Cloud plan, $7.99 per user per month, or $79.90 per user per year. This plan supports 5 to 10,000 users. You get real-time screen monitoring, continuous screen recording, recorded as video, not screenshots, full logging of web and app usage, keystrokes, files, emails, printing, and behavior alerts. Plus, you get visual timelines, session summaries, and a tool to block distractions. On-premises and private cloud. Pricing on request. These are tailored options for medium to large organizations needing greater control, compliance, or data retention flexibility. Private cloud supports up to 100,000 users with essentially no data limits. Free trial. You can test it out across a few computers for free over a 2-week period. Nice chance to get familiar before buying. What's great? Real-time and recorded video gives full visibility, even keystrokes. Productivity scores, behavior rules, and alerts let you intervene before small issues become big ones. Deploys stealthily, no icon, no fuss, and works seamlessly on both Windows and macOS. Compliant with GDPR and HIPAA when using on-premises. Heads-ups, reports can feel rigid, limited custom queries or deep analytics. No geolocation tracking if you're managing field teams. Not ideal for smaller teams unless you need very detailed monitoring. Here's the deal. If you're managing a hybrid or remote team and want deep visibility, especially for security, compliance, or productivity insights, the cloud plan is a cost-effective start. If your requirements include strict data handling or massive scale, you'll want to talk pricing for on-premises or private cloud. Just be ready that if you need flexible reporting or mobile tracking, you may need to look elsewhere. So that's Controlio. Stealthy, powerful, and built for real-world workforce visibility. If this gave you clarity, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more tool breakdowns, and I'll catch you in the next one.